You can learn to do this even if you're over 40. Look, I'm 45 and I'm not tech savvy by any stretch of the imagination. Sure, I can navigate my way around the computer, but if I have any real technical problems, I'm probably going to have to Google it. So, no, not tech savvy. But what I'm saying is, you can do this. What I teach or what I show you, what I am doing is very simple to do. I have a series here on YouTube where I use an emailing platform to send affiliate links to leads that I receive every day. That's what I do on this series. This is what I show you how to do. And this is just another day in a continuation of that. So, welcome in, guys. Thank you for being here. And this is day 43. And I just want to start off by saying that I kind of been I've been trying some different things. I'm just trying to find something that works. So if so if these videos seem a little confusing, anywhere between like day 40 and day 43, which is this video, I apologize, just because I haven't been subsequently doing each literal day each and every day. The last time I put out a video, it was on an offer. What was that? The live chat jobs. And as you know, if you've been following along, that we use an offer, we use it for 5 days, send it out 5 days. After that, we start a new offer and then do that one for 5 days. Well, the last time I was on here, we just did the first day. We just did day one, and then now we're here 5 days later, ready to start a new offer. Um, I was thinking about doing it that way. Maybe I will down the road because I think I'm probably going to do. At least I'm thinking about it. I don't know. I could definitely use some feedback. So if you guys have some input, if you'd just like to see me just continue these series, because I am thinking about maybe doing a little reboot, kind of, sort of, in doing this and just kind of start fresh. But I don't know. We'll see. I just take it day by day. But we're here. You're here. Thank you for being here. In this video, like I said, we're starting up a new offer and we're going to do the Right App Reviews offer from ClickBank. So go to your ClickBank account. I should probably go ahead and get mine put up there. Where be everything? All right, here we go. Now I'm getting somewhere. Oop, save. All right, so here's the ClickBank account, and something else I'm going to do is show my progress in each video, and I would love to hear from you guys on how your progress is going, and we just kind of feed off each other, and hopefully you guys are getting some sales coming in because I'd love to hear it. So let's take a look at what I got going on. The last sale I received was on September 30th. So it's been a few days, but that happens. If we go, this is over the span of the last 30 days. So I got a sale back on the 9th of September. And then 11 days later, I got one on the 20th. And then 5 days later, I got one on the 25th. And another 5 days, I got one on the 30th. So now I'm back to a gap, and that is expected. So don't get frustrated when you go several days without receiving anything. Just keep at this, be persistent, be consistent, and they will start coming in, and you'll get a few trickles here, and then you may have a little span of nothing, but eventually as you build your leads, we're going to see more and more of these sales coming in more and more frequently. So stick with it, and uh, just have faith. Just have faith. Don't even think about it. I mean, if you want to check on it, I check it every day just because I want to make sure I've got see what kind of feedback I'm working with. My curiosity just gets the best of me. I just really have to see what I've got, what's going on. So, I check my things and see where everything's at, and how my progress is doing. And I don't see anything, yeah, I'm bummed out, and you will too. You get bummed out, but just keep pushing, because when you do see that sale, you're like, yes, and then just reinvigorates you, and you just want to keep going. And then you realize that, yeah, see, I just got to keep doing this. It's happening. It's happening. All right, let's get to it. Head to the marketplace, guys. We're gonna go to the e-business, e-marketing. Let's get the rank, gravity, high, low. Just because, not that it really matters, because the top The ones that we use are typically just they hang out at the top. They might like shift from like 1 to 3 to 2 to 1, but for the most part, they're all up here. Um, so I guess not entirely necessary. But anyway, write up reviews. This is the one we're going to work on this time. Uh, I was using this in my post script for the last 5 days. Obviously, I haven't seen anything from it, but I do like when I go to the affiliate page. Maybe here it comes. I can tell that they they redid it. They improved it. They updated everything, which is nice. That's good. It looks nicer, a little cleaner. The colors kind of pop. So go there, go here to the affiliate page, hit the email swipes, and let's see. I've already got some open. I'm just going to close this and then move over to my tab that already has it. Email one, and you can see I've already got it highlighted. I went ahead and copied it. I got it into my Google Docs, so you guys can do the same. I think I'm going to go ahead and reuse. I don't think I've used this one in quite a while. I am going to try and just use the email that they have. I think it's been long enough that I could use this and it won't seem like a repeat. But next time, after I go through all these emails and I use this, I will probably use ChatGPT to rewrite them. So let's go to the Google Docs. As you see, I've already got mine plugged in, ready to go. So we're just going to make a few edits. Here's the subject line. Here's the body. There's no. Oh, I just realized that there isn't a. There's not a greeting. There's not a greeting to it. So let's try. We'll try it. We'll try it with no greeting. Let's see what happens. Let me go back. Sometimes they don't have one. They just boom. Here it is. We're looking for people. So country. I'm just going to. I think this is kind of a fill in the blank. From. I'll just go ahead and do USA. My caps were on. USA. Let's see, from USA. Let's do from the. Yep, look, it knows. It knows. All right, from the USA. Become our latest app tester. All right. Now, I also notice in here, I did notice this before, there isn't a clear call to action, click here or start here. So I'm going to put one right here at the end. And since it's mentioning something about applying, yes, so know what this role entails below before applying. Now we could put the link in the word applying. We could do that. Could put it right here. And so maybe we'll put one right there. And I was also going to put one that says apply here. Or we can do get started here. So I'll let you do that on your own discretion, like if you want to, however you want to do that. It is a short email, so I'm just going to do a apply here and just do this one. Since it's so short, we just have one apply here. Make sure when you copy your email, you include the hop link that's on there too. And you want to make sure that that's down here. So that way you can replace your ClickBank ID with your affiliate nickname that you create when you start ClickBank. So, all right, so there's mine. And then I'm going to change signature to my name. All right, and make that capital J. I want to copy the hop link. And put it right here. Apply here. Insert the link. Paste, apply, and there it is. Okay, and the next thing I want to do, once that's done, is I'm going to do the postscript. So let's not forget about the postscript. Oh, not delete. And just hitting all kinds of buttons today. All right. P.S. And for this one, I'm going to use the paid socials. We've done this before. We've used that. I'm going to use it again. It seems to convert very well. All the sales that I've been getting seem to come from the paid socials. So I'm just gonna keep using it. Um, do you have a cell phone, tablet, or PC? And click here to start making money. And always proofread so you can make any corrections that for mistakes that you may have made. I make a lot of them, so I definitely need to make sure I'm proofreading. All right, you have a cell phone, tablet, or PC, and click here to start making money. And then I will go back to the marketplace, scroll up a little bit to the top. You can see the gravity score is at a 95, which is the highest here in the e-business and e-marketing niche, which means it is doing well. So again, another reason to use it. Click on promote, select the nickname, hit continue, copy. It's good to go. Back over here, then click here. And I will make that bold. And, oh, yeah, right click, insert link, paste and apply. All right, that should be good. I actually want to make this bold while I'm thinking about it. That's all I want to do, is make that bold. All right, and then we're ready to go. Let's head over to my lead gen secret. Go ahead and get logged in here. Go to the mailing system, select our leads. Go back over. I got to copy the subject line. I want to be a product tester. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. Paste that in, head back over, grab the rest of the email. Copy that. All right, hit that back arrow, Control V the sucker in there. All right, I'm going to change the size. I'm going to do a 16 on this one. And then hit perfect timing, and then we can send this away. We'll see how it does. I'm just going to send it just like that. I've been putting images in here, and like an image of myself, image of, like a YouTube icon and a Facebook icon, the little logos to those. And then making those images links, because you can do that in this. And I think that's pretty cool that you can do that. So I've been doing that a lot lately. I haven't been getting really any traction, doesn't seem. So I'm going to try to back off of that for a few. I always want to test different things. I've gotten sales without them or not. Yeah. And I've gotten sales. I think that I've gotten sales, since I put them in. Yeah. Cause I know throughout September, I feel like I've been doing that for at least most of September. So that 931 that I got had images in it. But I'm just going to back off a minute. Try this maybe through the next 5. I'll try that. And I suggest you do the same. Always test, try different things. Maybe something I haven't thought of. If you find something that works, let me know. If you're like, hey, check this out, comment, leave a comment, let me know. Or text me. I got my number there at the bottom of the screen. So you can, just drop me a text and let me know. All right, before you send this out, guys, I want you to make sure that you are checking your links and making sure that they work. So you can just click on preview, hit apply, or hit the hyperlink, and this is what will pop up. So that works. And then here's the other one for the paid social media. Cool. So that works. Close it, send it away. Also, let me know how many accounts you guys are using. Did you go to video 1 and learn how to scale up MLGS? If you haven't, go to day 1. It says that if you go to my YouTube channel, here, I'll take you there real quick if we can. Got a moment. All right, there is my YouTube channel. I'm going to go over to the playlist, view MLGS series. All right, here we go. And so if you go to the playlist, scroll all the way down. I've got it got it from, day one all the way up, starting at the bottom. So you'll have to scroll all the way down, and you'll see that this says revised. It's because I redid it. And according to this, I've got 20 views, which tells me a lot of you aren't going to day one. Go here, learn how to scale up MLGS. Once you learn that and you see how the commissions work, because you can get stacking commissions by creating 5 accounts. So do that. Check out that video. Let me know how many accounts that you have. Let me know if that's, yeah. Just let me know how many accounts that you have and how well you are doing. I would love to know your progress, and I will continue to show you mine. So that way, we stay on the same page. I'm not going to keep anything from you. Feel free to share with me. You don't have to. There's no pressure to do it. But try not to get frustrated if you're not seeing immediate results. You could get lucky, because I've read comments, and I know some people that have, within the first week or two, already see a sale or two come in. So it can work quick. It really depends. But the bottom line is that you build those leads up, and that's the goal. Build those leads up. Just for like the first, I would say, at least 6 months. I'm getting close. I'm 4 months in, but I'm very anxious to see where I'm at 6 months, and that way I can have some feedback for you guys. So that way I'll have a better understanding of how frequently sales will come in at 6 months, and then I would say at least by a year. And I say a year, you should be seeing things a lot more consistently, because the guys that I have learned this from are already 2 to 3 years in doing this, and they're consistently pulling in about $5,000 a month, and that's pretty good for doing 10 minutes worth of work a day. You know, I'll take that. I mean, for some people, they could quit their job. I don't know if I would advise it, not in this economy, but anyway, that's it for that. If you found value in this video, guys, don't forget to leave me a like. Go to my YouTube channel and start following the playlist. I'll actually have a playlist here at the end of this video, so you can just click on that and just start rocking and rolling from there. Otherwise, guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.